Today, I'm going to reveal the insider tips on how to write a stunning YouTube script that will keep your viewers hooked from start to finish. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your content, a well-written script is key to engaging your audience. Let's dive in. The first one is research. Every great video starts with a solid idea. Take some time to brainstorm topics that are relevant to your channel and interesting to your audience. Make sure your idea is something you're passionate about, because your enthusiasm will come through in your video. Second, create an outline once you have your idea. It's time to plan your video. Break your content down into sections, introduction, main points, and conclusion. This will help you stay organized and ensure your video flows smoothly. Let's start with the introduction. Begin with a hook. Your intro should grab the viewer's attention and give them a reason to keep watching. This could be a surprising fact, a question, or a bold statement. This hook must be on point, and don't waste with "Hey, how are you? Please subscribe," and such stuff. For example, did you know that the average person spends over 100 minutes a day watching online videos? That's it. This question grabbed the viewer's attention, and the viewers wait the answer until the end of your video. Now let's move on to the main points. This is the core of your video, where you deliver the value. Outline your key points and add details for each one. Be clear and concise. Your viewers should be able to follow along easily. A good structure to follow is state your point, provide some context or explanation, give an example, and then summarize the point. Keep this for each key point you want to cover. For example, if you're making a video about writing YouTube scripts, your main points might be brainstorming ideas, outlining your video, writing the introduction, developing the main content, and crafting the conclusion. And the last part of creating an outline is conclusion. This is your chance to wrap up your video and reinforce the main points. Summarize what you've discussed and leave your viewers with call to action. This could be asking them to like, comment, subscribe, or check out another video. For instance, a step-by-step guide to writing a stunning YouTube script. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what topics you'd like me to cover next. Finally, let's talk about some extra tips to make your script shine. Write in a conversational tone. Imagine you're talking to a friend. This makes your content more relatable and engaging. Use short sentences and simple words to keep things clear and easy to understand. And don't forget to add some personality. Your viewers are here to see you, so let your unique voice and style shine through. Add humor, personal anecdotes, or anything else that makes your content uniquely yours. Writing a stunning YouTube script takes practice, but with these tips, you'll be on your way to creating engaging and impactful videos. Remember to plan, outline, and write in a way that resonates with your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Happy scripting!